Have you ever wanted to learn how to draw, but your stuff keeps looking something like this? That's why I'm here. Hello everyone, I'm Preston, and today I will be showing you how to draw fictional characters so your drawings can stop looking like this and start looking more like this. All you'll need for this lesson is paper, pencils, an eraser, and that's it. That's all you really need. Unless you want to go deeper and outline, color, and shade. But that's a completely different video. Today I will be showing you guys the basics so you can start drawing like the next Leonardo da Vinci. Let's get right into it. What I notice about a lot of beginners is that they all like to, what I call, jump right into it. What I mean by that is that a lot of people like to go ahead and draw the regular head, the body and stuff. It's something like, people like to draw something like this where, you see, have the head right here like that, have the eyes, and the neck, and then the, that's what younger me used to draw. But no, that is wrong. Do not draw like that. Please do not draw like that. That is wrong, unless you're lazy. So basically what you do is you have to draw your basic shapes. When I draw, I regularly start off with the head, and when you look at a head, you can all you normally see is basically a circle. So that's why you start off with a circle, as you can see. Actually, do that a little smaller because I'm going to draw the entire body, not that small thing. Alright, that's a circle. Make sure that. Now next, what you want to do is you want to try to plan out where you want your head to be at and your eyes. So my guy is gonna probably stare at the right, so that means my drawing gonna be facing towards the left. So you'll want a curved line going this way, like the curved line pointing that way, and then because that's gonna it helps you know where the character is facing. You have to draw like a horizontal line going this way to plan out where the eyes and the mouth is going to be at. But you don't want to draw like this. Do not draw the line in direct center of the circle. You will mess up because what this space is going to end up being is like your forehead, and this part maybe like the eyebrows. You do not, so your eyes is definitely not going to be like right here. What you want your eyes going to be is somewhere down here like this. So that's going to be your eyes. Sometimes you're going to want to draw like another line, maybe with the mouth and stuff like that. And now what you want to do is just connect the circle, this part of the circle, and then go down here. That's going to be like the dude's right cheek, and then the chin area going to go like this. So now the torso, what to do is torso is going to want to need like a line just like the head, so you'll know like where the chest is gonna where the chest is gonna face. We're gonna start off the legs because I feel like that's gonna want to help learn how to do that. Okay, so now what you want to do is try to circle where the where your knee is gonna be at and where your foot is gonna be at. If I remember correctly, the entire body is supposed to be 8 heads long. So it's gonna be like this, 8 heads. Now what you want to do is probably draw where the feet is going to be at. So normally your feet kind of has like this rectangle type shape, so that you're going to want to draw it like this. Your legs kind of has like a rectangle type shape, so you'll want it to look like this. There you go. And now the arms. So same thing like the legs. Draw your arm. Thing about the arm, the furthest out, do not draw it like, don't draw it like this, please. Just don't draw it like this. I see a lot of people do this. I even catch myself doing it sometimes too. Don't do it like that, because since your body's facing this way, it's gonna be, you know, your arm, you're not gonna see your arm that very much. You're not gonna see the entire arm. So what you want to do is draw the arm like this, because, you know, your body's position, it's at an angle. You're seeing it differently. So your arm is not gonna, your entire arm isn't gonna show. Draw out where the elbow is gonna be at. Another thing you want to keep in mind is always try to like look at where your arm is facing. So normally I'm looking at my arm right now, and it's like right here on my knee, on top of my knee. So make sure your hand is looking like that. But you still want to draw the little ball part. Nope. Like I said, draw your lines. Boom, 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 boom. See how the I leave some space for the knees? That's where it needs to be at. Need to be at. Let me stop. Okay, so now, guess what? We're done with the lesson. Not lesson. We're done with the. We're done with the beginning. We're done with the planning. So now we can do the best part. Shape the actual hands. And head. So now what you want to do is maybe you want to erase all these lines. Well, you don't really want to erase all of it, because you still want to kind of know where the knee is going to be at and things like that. So you may want to keep some areas. Go ahead and fill these areas out. Alright, well, that's the character. So that's just the basic shape of basically a male, you know. But so now we can get to the fun part, which is actually designing the character. So, let's see. Let me pull out my random character generator. I'm gonna try to draw one of my OCs with this pose. And so you guys can see how this can help. Oh my gosh, how did I know that character is gonna be? Okay. So before I do that, I'm gonna teach you how you can draw an eye. So basically, so this is how this line comes to play. It's your eye's always gonna have like a bit of like a teardrop shape. You know, it's like two parentheses sideways. You know, and then yeah, this is how this line helps. Kind of helps me space the eyes out. Yeah, that's the correct word. That's what I was trying to look for. And make sure when your character is facing a certain direction, it always has like a angle. You know. There's the nose. So this area right here kind of tells you where the nose is going to be, and this is where the mouth is going to be. Sometimes I like to try to like more represent the chin right here, and then make sure this part is also at an angle. There's always going to be like a little sink in right here, this area where the eye is. So you know, just an FYI. And then this is where the ear is going to be located. Ears is a little complicated, but you know, it's always good. It's like just a little ovalish shape, and then a couple of lines right here. Yeah, go on drawing my character. Oh, that's Jack Winters. Okay, see how the how doing all those steps now now you got your character looking like this, and now you're a professional drawer. Yeah, professional artist. So maybe there's people out there that are going to be like, but Preston, what if my character this isn't human? What if it's a animal? What if it's a what if I'm trying to draw Pikachu? Listen. Be quiet. Use your basic shapes. Let's see. I have this other character, Devi. Basically, he has I'm gonna show the picture on, like an image of him on the thing. Basically, he's a ball. Basically, just a ball. Oh, my circles don't be looking so hot. He's a ball with legs, basically. Boom, that's a Devi. Alright, sorry about that. For some reason my camera or not for some reason. Okay, sorry about that. I'm stuttering way too much. What I'm trying to say is while I was recording, my video stopped because it was basically my phone ran out of storage space, so I had to move my videos to my Google Photos so I can make some extra room for more videos. So basically, I was trying to represent how you could draw Pikachu with the simple style. Basically, like I said, just use your basic shapes. When you draw Pikachu, it's just a circle, a rectangle, some circles, and then maybe like a cylinder going up here or like a line. And then same with the tail, just a little zigzag, and boom, you got yourself a Pikachu. So I hope this video was very helpful. Well, please comment down below what you think of the video. Please like, subscribe. If you have any problems with the way I taught you, come fight me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.